Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious poke nachos, inspired by a popular restaurant appetizer. We'll start by preparing the essential crispy wonton chips, then move on to marinating fresh, sushi-grade ahi tuna. You'll learn to assemble these flavorful layers with creamy avocado, spicy sauces, and fresh garnishes, creating a truly impressive dish that's perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. To begin, you'll need about 1 pound of high-quality, sushi-grade ahi tuna cut into half-inch cubes. For the base, grab 12 square wonton wrappers which will transform into golden, crispy chips. Don't forget your fresh toppings: 1 ripe avocado, 2 green onions, a quarter cup of cilantro, and 1 serrano pepper. For the signature sauces, ensure you have soy sauce, sesame oil, sriracha, and creamy mayonnaise ready. First, let's marinate our diced ahi tuna. In a bowl, combine it with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of sriracha, and a half teaspoon of honey. Let this mixture chill for at least 15 minutes. Next, prepare your wonton chips. Heat about 2 cups of vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the wonton wrappers for about 1 minute per side until they are beautifully golden and crispy. Then drain and lightly salt them. Now for the exciting part: assembly. Begin by arranging your freshly fried wonton chips on a large serving platter. Next, generously spoon the marinated ahi tuna over the chips, ensuring every bite gets some delicious poke. Drizzle with a creamy spicy mayonnaise and a sweet soy glaze for that authentic flavor. Finish by scattering diced avocado, thinly sliced green onions, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds for a perfect, vibrant presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.